The Compost Cooperative is a local worker-owned business here in Greenfield, and we provide residential and commercial pickups for folks in community who are looking to divert their food scraps or other organic materials that can be actually composted. So we're really excited to be serving the city of Greenfield and surrounding towns to do that really important work to save our environment. Today we are shoring up the foundation with Bay State Shotcrete, which is taking a really unique approach that I've not seen before, and I'm really excited to see, where they actually leave the existing foundation and shoot in concrete material that helps to shore up the foundation, really supporting the overall health and well-being of the house. We were actually designed inside of the Franklin County Sheriff's Office with folks incarcerated there, really thinking through what are some of the reasons that people end up back in jail or prison. And one of the key things that came up was lack of meaningful living wage work. In partnership with folks inside and educators and co-op specialists, they came up with a vision of the Compost Cooperative. So back in 2018, that's when we began our work. And then after about 3 years up and running, we learned that not only was living wage work a key factor to folks staying out, but also housing. And so that's actually what brought us to this housing initiative, where we mobilize community mobilized to support us with the purchase of a dilapidated vacant home here in Greenfield, which we are now in the process of renovating. I get the distinct opportunity to be the director of this housing initiative, as I brought it to the Compost Cooperative as an option, as a thing to be explored. What would it look like if we actually took housing into our own hands to provide that for folks who are coming out of jail and prison and want to be in connection with the Compost Cooperative? I've had that opportunity and continue to do that work. There are lots of things that I do here in Greenfield and around Greenfield. I'm a theater artist. Some of y'all might know me from that scene. I'm also a realtor. I'm beginning this process with the Compost Cooperative and then also with my own housing situation in flux. I really began to see how cooperative housing can really be transformative in the way that we move. And not just we all live in one big house together, but really taking mutual responsibility for ourselves and each other's well-being. And so I support quite a few different folks around their housing, both individuals and couples, but also friends who want to purchase together, co-ops that want to purchase together, folks who are looking to sell their homes and really hoping to reach those folks who may be thinking about stewarding land and home in ways that are a little bit different than we've been doing historically.